Hi, this is a demo for WhatsApp automation with HubSpot. Now, once you have your WhatsApp Business API and approved message templates from WhatsApp in place, you're all set to start using the automation. The first thing that you need to do is save these approved message templates in your system so that you can start using them in your workflows. For doing that, you need to go to any of your contacts timeline and scroll the right side of your menu till you reach the automation dashboard of your API provider. Here, I'm going to go with Cadera WhatsApp Automations dashboard. Now, once your dashboard is open, go to the settings section. Now here, you'll see most of your account details at a single place. Let's start with account info. In the portal ID, you can see your HubSpot portal ID. In phone number, you can see your phone number that has been linked with your account. In the next section, account settings, there is an option of create contact. If you enable this, new contacts would be created automatically if you're receiving message from a non-saved contact. You can also disable this if you want. In the next section, account templates, all your approved templates that you have saved in the system would appear. And to save a new approved template in your system, you need to fill these details one by one. The first detail that you need to fill in is the template name. Here, you need to add the exact name of the template that has been approved by your API provider. For an example, I am going to add subscription confirmed, which is the name of my approved template. Now in the next section, parents, we need to add the number of contact tokens that are present in your approved template. So my approved template consists of only one contact token, so I'm going to select this. But if yours have more than one contact tokens, you can select the number from the list. In the next section, language code, you need to add the code of the language that your message is in. So my message is in English, so I'm going to add EN here. But if yours is in Spanish, you can add ES. If it's in Portuguese, you can add PT and so on. In the last section, body, you need to copy paste the exact message from your message template. So here you go. Now once you have done that, you need to click on create template. And your approved template is now saved in your system. You can see the details here. Now let's try using these saved templates in workflows. For that, go to the Workflows section of your HubSpot portal. And once you reach here, you can either create a workflow from scratch or choose from any existing workflows that you have. So here I am going to choose an existing workflow. As you can see, the first thing that you need to set up is a contact enrollment trigger. In my workflow, this trigger is a phone number. But if you want to set up any other enrollment trigger, you can choose from the list of options available here. Once that is done, you need to create a new action. And for Twilio WhatsApp API users, the option that they need to select is this: WhatsApp Automation Send WhatsApp Message. When you click on this button, you will get this screen. And the first option that you need to select is a template. Now when you click on this drop-down menu, you'll get the list of all your saved approved templates. Now here, I'm choosing this one. And in the next section, Template Parents, you need to add the contact tokens that are present in your selected template. Now here you need to pay attention. You can only add the contact tokens that are present in this template here. And you need to add them in the exact same manner as they appear in your template. For instance, if the first contact token that you have in your template is first name, click here and add it. And if you have more than one contact tokens, you can use a pipe icon to separate them and add another one. Again, do remember that you can only add the contact tokens that are present in the template and in the same way as they appear in your message. Now my template doesn't have any contact tokens, so I'm going to remove these for now. Once you have filled these details, click on the Save button. And your action is set. To turn your workflow on, click on the Review button, click on the Turn On button, and you're all set. As soon as your contact enrollment trigger would be fulfilled, the WhatsApp automated message would be sent. Let's check if our automated message was delivered or not. For that, we can go to the WhatsApp automation dashboard, refresh it once, and as you can see here, the message was delivered and you can see the date, time, and the details of the message. You can also check the message status on our HubSpot contact timeline. Refresh it. And here in the activity section, you can see the WhatsApp automation message details. The date of the message, the time, the message details, and the status of it. Now, if any recipient of the automated message replies back to you, you'll get a 24 hours window to send them back any message which is not necessarily pre-approved. You can do that using a workflow or from the dashboard. First, let's try sending a text message using the workflow. So here I have opened our existing workflow and I'm going to start by deleting this action first. And then, like we did earlier, we'll create a new action. Select send WhatsApp message option from the list. And now here, earlier we selected the template, but now since we are sending a text message, we'll simply add the text here in the first column. We can even add a contact token if we want to. So here I am selecting the token that I want to send. Unlike a template, you can use any contact token that you want to use here. And once that is done, click on the Save button. Now once this is done, review your workflow, switch it on, and now as soon as our contact enrollment trigger would be fulfilled, the message would be sent. Now let's check if this WhatsApp message was sent or not. For that, we'll go to the automation dashboard, refresh the screen, and now here as you can see our message was delivered on this date and time. We can also send a message directly from the dashboard here. And now, to check if these messages were sent, we'll go to the contact timeline and we can check the status here as well. In the activities section, you'll see all the details of the message that was sent. The message, the date, time, and its status. In this demo, we took you through the process of saving your approved templates in the system, using them in the workflow, and checking the message details on customer timeline and the dashboard. Now you're all set to start using WhatsApp automation for your business.